Bismillah, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name Muhammad Asgar and my Gmail address practicalday@gmail.com. It is my 12th lecture about C programming learning. Today we learn arithmetic operators in sequential structure of programming. Today we learn in sequential structure of programming what is arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators, a symbol that perform mathematical operation on data is known as arithmetic operator. A symbol that perform mathematical operation on data is known as arithmetic operator. Here some example of arithmetic operator in table. First of all, we can operation or a mathematical operation addition. Addition add two values. Suppose here a variable a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 3, and addition operator mean a plus b is equal to 4, and subtraction operator subtract one value from another value, one value from another value. Here is a mistake here. Subtract one value from another value. Suppose b minus subtraction sign a is equal to 2, and multiplication is multiply by two values. Suppose a multiply by b is equal to 3, and here division operator divide one value to another value. Suppose here can divide one value b to another value, and here modulus give the remainder of division of two integer values. Modulus is apply only integer values and give return value. Suppose here I divided a modulus b, and here remainder is 3, sorry 3 not 3, 1, mistake, remainder is 1 not 3. In arithmetic operator, today we discuss the mathematical operator, additional operator, add two values, subtraction operator subtract one value from another value, multiplication operator used to multiply two values, division operator divide one value by another value, and modulus operator give remainder value and it is apply on integer values. If you divided integer value by integer value, then you get result on integer. Okay, and best of luck. And now I go to practical, and here I go to practical and perform practical, and here I go to platform of C++, and I go to file, new, and source file, and here I type hash include iOS stream, and again hash include studio.h int main, and here I write comments. Comment is optional, you write or you not write, it depend on you. And start main, sorry, body of main method, and here I write and body of main method. Okay, and here I write return 0 because my return data type is integer. So here I write variable int a and b. Both variable have same data type, so I declared with the same data type with the same line. So here I declared a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. Okay, and I perform some operation and I declare another variable, and here its variable name is result. Okay, so that I not get input from the user. I initialize variable. Initial definition of initialization: the process for assigning value to variable is known as initialization. Result is equal to, where I write result is equal to and a plus b. Okay, sir, and here I write print f, and here I write a and a plus b and is equal to percentage d, and here I write result because my mathematical operation is performed and value is given to result. So and I compile my program, and so that I compile, and first of all before compiling I save program number 11 and save it in directory. And so here you can see, and error is in my program 0 and warning is 0. So I go to run my program and here you can see result of my program is 7, because 7 is a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3. So a 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, a plus b, and here my mathematical operation is performed. For a keep the value of 4 and b keep the value of 3. So a plus 4, so a replaced by 4 and b replaced by 3, and applied mathematical operation and become the value of 7, and here you can see value of 7, and printf function is execute, and here you can see a plus b is equal to same and equal sign same. Here is percentage d sign is replaced with the value which keep in result. Value 7 is present in result, so it replace percentage d with 7. So I perform remaining mathematical operation on data, so I can hit copy and paste, control C, and here control V, again control V, and again control V. So here I apply subtraction sign, and so I apply change inspection sign, and here I change inspection sign, and here I change in multiplication sign, and here I change in multiplication sign, and here I change in division sign, and here I change in division sign, and here enter and control V, and here I change it modulus sign, and here I change modulus sign or remainder sign. Okay, sir, and now again I compile my program, and here I write \n. Here I, because my result is come in \n for new line. Each result display on single line, separate line, and okay, and control, and now I compile my program, and you can see my background error is 0 and warning is 0. Now I run my program, and here you can see again a plus b is equal to 7, same result, and here that statement is execute. A minus b, a keep the value of 4, b keep the value of 3, 4, so 3 subtract from 4 is equal to 1, and here you can see a multiply by b, a keep the value of 3, here you can see, and b the value of 3 and a the value of 4, a multiply by b and 4 multiply by 3 is 12. So if I divided by 3 is remainder by 3, and if you divided integer value with integer value, then you get result integer and remainder sign, and here you can see result here a divided by b and result is 1 because both value is integer, and if one value is float then your result is float, and here data type is result, then you keep the data type of your values is double or float, and here a modulus b remainder by 1. If you divided by 3 4 divided by 3, the remaining value is 1, and here is 1. Okay, best of luck. I think that you understand today C programming language in easy way. Okay.